Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, didiscuss natin yung mga stock market terminologies na pwedeng makatulong sa inyo kapag beginners pa lang kayo. So by the way, this was requested nga pala ni Iscariot Madeo a couple of months back. No? So medyo hindi ko siya nagawa agad since marami din naman video ideas or episode ideas previously. So ngayon lang naka-catch up dun sa mga request ng ating mga viewers, and I hope na you're still watching yung mga episodes or listening dun sa mga podcast episodes natin. So yeah, Iscariot, andito na yung iyong request. So yung first one, so simple lang tayo mag-start, no? Buy. So this is pretty much self-explanatory. Pero yeah, buying shares of a company or taking a buy position, yun lang yung ibig sabihin nun. And then sell. Same thing, simply, this is selling your shares or getting rid of the shares that you purchased. So usually, gagawin mo to kapag satisfied ka na dun sa kinita mo, dun sa isang particular na stock. And then usually sa mga day traders, they will place a sell order kapag magka-cut loss na sila. Next one is bid. So this is the price that you're willing to pay for the stock. So pagka nag-place ka ng order, no, sabihin natin 8 pesos per share yung gusto mong price, then yun yung bid mo, no, dun sa particular stock na yun. And then ask, on the contrary naman, this is the price that a seller is willing to sell their stock. And then spread. So this is the difference between two prices. So this is usually between the bid and ask prices. So for example, yung bid mo kanina is 8 pesos, and then yung ask na pinakamababa currently sa market is nasa 8.05. Then yung spread nun is 0.05. So ito, no, isang example galing kay ASEN, AC Energy Corporation. So kita nyo dito yung bid price and ask price. And then nakita nyo na rin dyan, no, yung bid volume and ask volume. Yung bid volume, yan lang yung number ng stocks na gustong bilhin, no, nung market currently. So currently for this screenshot, no, merong 128 bids para dun sa price na 7.05. So nasa 1.9 million shares, no, yung may execute kapag may nagbenta at 7.05. So yung ask volume naman, syempre mas mataas ng konti yung ask price nila ng seller, nasa 7.06. So kapag na-match ito, no, pag may tumaas ng bid price, makukuha niya agad, for example, kung mas mataas sa 25k yung gusto niyang bilhin, then makukuha niya lahat itong 25,000 shares na binibenta nitong si seller at 7.06. And then next one, yan, bid volume. Medyo inunahan ko na yung sarili ko, no? So this is the amount of stocks that the buyers want to buy at a specific price. So as I've said earlier, so I hope that is clear. Then yung ask volume naman, the amount of stocks that sellers want to sell at a specific price. So yeah, as I've said, medyo inunahan ko na yung sarili ko for these two terms. Then difference naman yung susunod. There's the difference between the previous day's closing price compared to the current market price. So for example, nag-close si ASEN yesterday at 7.05, and then today yung current market price niya is 7. So yung difference lang nun is 0.05. So yung percentage change, so relative din yan or related dun sa price difference nung previous trading day compared to the current market price. So the amount of change in prices from the previous trading day compared to the recent price. So ito, so andyan yung difference, no, na-explain na natin yan, yung percentage change, andyan na rin yun. And then yung previous naman, yung PREV, previous lang yan. So yun yung previous close, the previous trading day. Yung open is yung unang price, yung unang traded price, no, for that particular trading day, then yung highest, then yung pinakamataas na na-trade itong stock na ito on that particular trading day, and then yung low, same lang nung high. This is the lowest price na na-trade itong stock na ito for this trading day. I hope that's clear. So yung volume, yan lang yung amount of stocks na benta or nabili at the same time. Syempre pag kami nagbenta, meron dapat bibili. So yun yung parang nag-exchange hands, no? Yun yung number ng stocks na nag-exchange hands. And then yung value, yun lang yung amount na napagbentahan and napagbilhan, no, ng mga stocks na ito. So nasa 144 million si ASEN noong Friday. And then 52-week high, that is the highest price in a 1-year span. 52-week low is the lowest price in a 1-year span. Yung range, this is just simply the difference between the highest price point and the lowest price point in one trading day. Next one naman natin is bull market. So I think kapag na-introduce ka na, no, sa equity market, sa securities market, lagi mong maririnig itong si bull market. So market condition that stock prices are expected to rise. And then marinig mo rin yung bullish, no? So bearish or bear market, o market condition that stock prices are expected to fall. And yung GTD, nakikita nyo to sa mga stock brokers nyo. So good till day yung ibig sabihin yan. Or sa ibang stock brokers like BPI Trade, day lang yung nakalagay. The validity of a buy order or sell order that expires at the end of the current trading day if not filled. So syempre kapag na-fill yung order mo, mawawala na yun, no? GTW or good till week. So same thing, the validity of the buy or sell order that expires naman a week after you placed it kapag hindi siya na-fill dun sa desired price mo. And then lastly, GTM, good till month. So the validity of a buy or sell order that expires a month after you placed it if hindi siya na-fill. So ito yung example kay BPI Trade. So makita mo dito yung term, yun, nasa second lowest part. And then dito yung good till week, GTW, and then lastly good till month. Next up is limit order. So usually dapat ito yung ginagamit mo, no? Limit order. The buy or sell order will only execute at a specific price that you desire. So syempre, di ba? Kapag bibili ka ng isang stock, syempre dapat i-set mo yung price. So huwag ka lang like susunod sa flow ng market. And then market order, ito naman yung kabaligtaran ng limit order, no? Your buy or sell order will execute immediately at the current market price. So, pagka nagmamadali ka and like ayaw mo nang, mag-antay na like sobrang bumaba or sobrang tumaas ng prices, then market order yung dapat mong gawin. Volatility naman, how fast stock prices moves up and down. So, ito na talaga yung nature ng mga equity markets o ng mga stock markets, even sa crypto. Sobrang volatile talaga ng mga prices nila on the daily basis. Next one is market capitalization. So this is what the market thinks a company value is. So para ma-determine mo kung ano yung market cap, i-multiply mo lang yung current stock price, then yung outstanding shares nila. So mukha mo na yung market cap, after mo makompute yun. Next one is IPO or initial public offering. So heads up pala, mayroong mga IPOs na parating na this year dito sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange, which is sa NGCP and then kay Mondnisen. So IPO happens when a private company becomes publicly traded to raise money. So di ba meron tayong Series A, Series B, Series C, then like parang yung final fundraising nila ng isang company or ng isang business is IPO, and ito yung usually pinakamalaki. So home stretch na tayo. These are the last 5 terms na i-discuss natin in this particular episode. So kung nag-enjoy ka, smash mo naman yung like button para sa YouTube algorithm. Medyo slow mo pa yung pag-thumbs up ko. Anyway, move on tayo sa blue chip stocks. So these are large and industry-leading companies giving out stable dividend payments. So example niyan is PLDT, Globe, Meralco, and DMCI, and Aboitiz Power. and ETFs or exchange traded funds, but usually talaga yung tawag lang sa kanila is ETF, yun yung pinaka-common. So this is a type of security that tracks an index, sector, or commodity which can be bought or sold like a stock. And the next one is common stock. So yeah, common stocks, yun yung pinaka-common na stock. All kidding aside, this is a security that represents ownership in a corporation with voting rights. So usually ito talaga yung mga binibili natin, no? Kasi ito yung mga stocks na merong malaking potential of growth in prices, and syempre kapag maganda yung business and kumikita sila, pwede rin sila magbigay ng dividends. The next one is preferred stocks. This is a security with a higher claim to dividends, kaya mas consistent, no, yung dividend payments ng preferred stocks, and usually fixed amount yung binibigay nila. But this is without or limited voting rights. And then lastly, port. So dati, actually, hindi ko nga alam kung ano yung port na sinasabi yung mga nag-comment sa video ko. Pero pinaikli lang pala siya na portfolio. So ngayon, alam ko na. This is a collection of investments by an investor. Alright guys, so ganun lang tayo kabilis, no? So silipin natin yung mga sources for today's episode. We have a photo from Unsplash. Meron ding visual capitalist. Diyan ko kinuha yung karamihan sa mga stock terms na sinama ko dito sa ating episode. And syempre si Investopedia. Lahat ng mga links niyan is matatagpuan sa description sa baba. And before we end, meron tayong featured or highlighted comments of the day. Meron tayong 3, no? And galing yan sa previous episode ko, I think 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. Na stocks with low PE ratio. So kung hindi nyo pa na-check out, no, click nyo lang yung link dyan sa baba. Okay, so let's move on. So yung una is galing kay Dexter Ku. Sabi niya, dividend investing is, king. I think, pero trophies yung nilagay niya. But anyway, investing in dividends is king. And I agree with that. And then kay K-Studio, sabi niya, thanks, na shortcut yung pag-research ko dito. So yeah, nakatulong yung ating video sa kanya. So I'm really glad na nakatulong ako sa pag-release ng video, and hindi niya kailangan mag-research pa. And kay Nemesio Phenomenon naman, sabi niya, goods na goods, no skipping of ads. Thank you very much. I appreciate that kasi syempre it's one way to support the channel kapag in-smash mo yung like button and nag-subscribe ka and ring the notification bell. Pero syempre kapag nanonood ka ng ads ko hindi mo sinaskip, then that is money na napupunta sa pocket ko kahit papano. Alright guys, that is gonna be it for this episode. Sana naman may natutunan kayo, and if umabot kayo at the end of this episode, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And isa pa, ulitin ko ulit, kung nag-enjoy ka dito sa video na to, smash mo naman yung like button kasi sobrang nakakatulong yun sa algorithm ni YouTube. So pagka ginawa mo yun, masasuggest pa itong video na ito sa mga like-minded people, no, na gusto ring matuto mag-invest. And if bago ka naman sa channel, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe and ring the notification bell para wala kang ma-miss out sa mga uploads ko every Monday and Friday, sometimes Wednesday. So bonus na lang yan. And if you don't know yet, meron ng membership si Peso Smart PH. Click mo lang yung second link dyan sa description to know more about it. Thanks again for watching and listening, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you all in the next episode. Always remember, be Peso Smart.